So it's time. It's time for the grand reveal. I know I've stalled long enough. It's still not complete, but I have to reveal it because things are growing so nicely. It's settled in now, and I've got the tree. So before I show you, the tree is such a big surprise. Let me see if I can just miss the tree. Because if you I don't know if you've been through this, but sometimes you like a tree and then you don't see it around and then you forget about it, and then when you see it, it's like, yes, that's the tree I wanted. Well, that's what happened. Finally I saw the tree and I was like, yes, we wanted this tree years ago, and I'm taking it. So I've planted it, and I've planted it in the ground. So let me start, or let me not keep you in some suspense any longer. Let's let's do the grand reveal. Ta-da! But you can't see it. The grass is green and it's blending in. There it is. Look at this. I don't know if you know what it is. It's a ginkgo tree. And look how pretty it looks. So that's the tree. Let me go further. Oh, it's gonna be so stunning once it grows. And there, that's better. You can see it against the stones. That's my tree. And then with that maple there, it's gonna be so lovely over this grass. Okay, let me start from one end. One close-up look. You can see the leaves. They got such a nice shape, and they're gonna be really yellow in winter or in autumn. So I can't wait. Right, let's do this grand reveal. Okay, this soya rose, if you remember, it was so dry. It was dry and looking all terrible, but now look, after it's been planted in the ground, it got water and we had rain, and it's looking so lush, and all have opened up so beautifully. That's that. And then I've just planted some ground cover next to it, and there's my little meditating dog, and there's his circle. These have grown, you can see as well. You know how dry they were? Remember, they were all closed up, so they've opened up now, and you can see better what they sort of are. I still don't know what they are, but look, this aphids. Oh my god! And this ants and this aphids. They just, I can't let any flower sprout here. I better cut this out too. Get that one too, in case they go there. Right, now I've butchered the plant. You can see, oh, I damaged the leaf even. But anyway, that is what the meditating dog looks like. But I'm going to change things here. I have an idea. So I'm going to do that, and then the next round I'll show you later on. End of spring, sorry, when I do an end of summer update, then I'll do that. This is growing really nice. I still didn't make something to cover the pot. I am going to do that. My fail the last time I tried to use up that rusted edging. These are all growing well, and that is a new ionium my friend gave me, so I'll just see how it does because it's probably going dormant now. And there's my Buddha's fellow. Pick them up. Right. And there's the fire. Fire has gone out. It's no more orange, it's green. So anyway, it's summer now. Officially summer, first week of December. So they don't need any fire, I suppose. That Echeveria elegans has gone so huge. Oh, and that you didn't see this. This was something new. It's an agave trade winds. Look how pretty that is. It's got some variegation in it. I can't wait for it to grow. That one's looking. What's going on here? Maybe something's eating it. Oh, I hope nothing's eating it. These two look okay. Something took a chunk out of that leaf, but hopefully they survive. That's there. That must still grow. I put these little aloes here. One has picked up. You can see how green it is, and the other, and they still finding their feet. Oh, look at my piece of art. Remember that rusty piece of edging? Well, I twisted it and put it in there. Looks like a ribbon. That rust looks so good against the rock. That's there. All these succulents are growing well. Agavoides. These one, that cressula is going. It's loving it outside. This used to be in the patio, in that outdoor area. But now it's doing so well here. Mm-hmm. And oh, this aloe is in the pot there. It's doing good. Those two little peanut cactus I cut up, or they fell off, they are growing well. That's gone dormant. So I'll just have to leave it. Hope it revives when winter comes. And that Hawatia is doing well. It's loving it outside. Doesn't look like it's drying up. These ones are the same as I planted them at the beginning. Oh, look at that weed. It's bigger than the plants. Get that out of there. Right now you can see. Then let's see my tree again. Right. There's another weed here. But these are doing okay. My agave is doing good. These imbricatas from the front yard, look how huge they have gotten. And that's my feather grass. It's giving all that lovely movement here. I've got my tree here anyway. Finally in position. And there's my other piece of art. It looks so good. Right, let's see what we got here. These are all the same. I didn't change anything here, but I love the color combinations. Look how lovely that green against that red. That's really colored up. It's gotten even redder. And then that black. I must put the name on the screen. I don't know what it's called, but I did get the tag for that. That aloe is picking up. You can see that it's turning green in the center. That's good. And this, remember, this was sort of a neon green, but now it's gotten a darker green after I put it in the ground. And I love it. Look how good that looks. Yeah. Oh, that's a good shot. Let's see here. That's my Gasteria doing okay. That elegance. Oh, let me see this spider. Get some airtime. Better kill all these insects. Oh, look at these. You remember how dry they were when I planted them? They have perked right up. They're so full. This is the California sunset. They look so full now. I need to pull out the weeds. You can see weeds are making their way here. And the other plant that I bought, which I love so much, I have to show you, is this. It's a Muhlenbeckia Astoni. Yeah, Muhlenbeckia Astoni. So the tag is still there. It's a sort of a creeper, I think. Not a creeper, but it can be shaped. So you can see these branches. They can be shaped. I suppose if you trim it or twist it against something. I've seen people shape them into animals and whatever. But I just love this leaves. They're so tiny. Let me see if I'll put this rock beneath it. Hopefully it focuses. They look like little hearts. It's not focusing. Ah, there you can see these ones. They look like little hearts and they are so pretty. It's so cute. So I don't know if it'll get bushy, but that's fine. I just wanted that little delicate leaves. Look how cute it looks. That's so pretty. That fine leaf. And then the rest here as well. That's still the same. I haven't added. Oh, I did add the Ionian sunburst that broke off from the crest in the other garden, so I just planted that there. And there's my that blue. What was it? Some blue something. There's a tag. Blue Pacific Ceanothus. So that's that in the pot. So hopefully it will bloom for summer. Then it'll be so pretty with the blue flowers. And then that's just my lavender. And this is some dill. I just planted it here for the ladybugs if they come. So they've got some food. Oh, I suppose they like the ladybugs like that plant, so I just planted that at the end, and then you can see. Wow, that's a full view of it. It's coming along nicely. Oh, go away, fly! This fly is watering me. I can't even see what I'm recording here. Right, so that's that. You can't see my tree because of the green of the grass. Now we can see it. Look, that's it, and my art is even looking good. But oh yes, I forgot to show you that I actually used it around the trees as well. Look, I put them around the tree there and around that Muhlenbeckia as well. So you see, I put it there, and look how good that rust looks, and that green against the rust looks so cute. Yes, I got a bit more left, and I'm going to use that to do something else. So that's that. So I had to do the grand reveal and the big surprise that I finally got my tree. Look, so cute it is in the wind. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Finally, you can see the makeover. Let me give you one quick overview from here. Oh, let me take that pot out of there. Right now, you can see the sun is on that end, but you can see that that side is looking good, and then this one's looking so much neater now that it's been done up. And once the tree grows, it'll be so good. It'll be like a hang over the grass. Okay, that is it. So that's the final grand reveal. I still have to fill rock though. There's not enough. Whatever I had, I just spaced it out. You can see the soil through it. I need to fill in more, but that was just to give it some sort of completion. Otherwise, it just looks so incomplete with the soil showing everywhere. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed putting this garden together. So until next time, we can monitor the growth and see how things have changed as I add stuff to the garden as well. Okay, bye.